How to open a real account on MetaTrader 5. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, you have to make sure you have the latest version of MetaTrader. To do so, go to your Play Store and then search for MetaTrader 5. If there is an update button, instead of open button, simply tap on update and get the latest version. Next step, open your MetaTrader application. Then go to messages and then you'll have to tap on register. Now you can create a real account on MetaTrader by using this form. You just have to fill up the form or you can simply sign in with your Google and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.